Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's $7 funnel review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new funnel where I've combined two proven systems that work to help you boost your commissions as one. So the joining links will be in the description, and the great thing and the beauty about this $7 funnel system is that there are no monthly membership costs. So it's perfect if you're on a low budget. It's perfect if you want to get started with affiliate marketing or add an additional income stream to your portfolio. You're going to earn 100% commissions with this $7 funnel. You're going to promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. Now the beauty, this is where the magic really happens. There's done for you autopilot email follow-ups that go out in two separate systems. So there will be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for us. And we've all got an equal opportunity to join these programs and become an affiliate and promote them as well. So if you watch it all the way through to the end, I'm just going to take you through step by step how this works. So it's very, very simple. Now I've done a little drawing, a little flow diagram here to help explain it. I'm going to show you some income proof. So let me just show you the income proof first of all. So the $7 that you're paying is going to be for OLSP Megalink. Now what you'll see here is my total earnings are $437. So my profit there is $430 because I've just used free traffic and I've also not incurred any monthly membership costs with this system. So let's go back into the flow. I've shown you some proof. Let's go back into the flow diagram and show you why we've combined these two powerful systems. The first one that you're going to join here is called Free Lead System. It's forever free. Now, Free Lead System over here, there'll be a link in the description that will take you to this lead capture page. Now, this lead capture page here, when you opt in here, will take you into a members area. You'll get an email and you're going to get a members area here, and it shows you here getting started in 3 simple steps. Now we're going to use one of these steps here. So done for you lead capture page, it's important. That's what you're going to be. This one here is what you're going to be promoting. You're going to promote just one link and you're just going to promote this lead capture page here. Very, very simple and perfect for beginners. Now, when you join Megalink, OLSP Megalink, link in the description, all right, you're going to take your Megalink. You're going to join for a one-time $7. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. So you'll fill out your information, you'll join for $7, and then what happens is you will get your own Megalink, which is in the top right hand corner here, your Megalink. Now you're going to put your Megalink, let's go back to the flow chart, step 3. You're going to put your Megalink into the free lead system. And this is where the magic starts to happen. So you're going to put your Megalink into here. And you'll see I've got mine in there. Now, what happens there is, just click update. What happens there is, free lead system has got autoresponder messages that go out on autopilot. So they're going to promote for free. They're going to promote for free your OLSP Megalink. So all you've got to do is drive free traffic to your free lead system capture page. Your mega link is within the free lead system, and then free lead system send out autoresponders on autopilot for free. So you could be at work, you could be out with your family and friends, you could be at the gym, you could be enjoying yourself, you could be asleep. And then what happens is, when your prospects see the power of OLSP, you will get paid unlimited $7 commissions. So this is how I learned, this is how I earned the commissions I showed you at the beginning. That's how I earned. I just promoted that lead capture page. Now it gets even better. Because within the mega link, on step 5 over here, within the mega link, there are passive income streams built into it. This is the owner of Megalink here, Wayne Crowe. Now what happens here, watch this video when you join, come and meet Wayne Crowe. He'll mentor you to success with affiliate marketing if you follow his training. So what happens there is, Wayne takes over. They've joined Megalink. Wayne takes over here. And then what Wayne does, you see where the second part of the system kicks in. Wayne sends out on autopilot emails with your affiliate links in, so you can earn even more commissions. And that's how this works over here. Just show you briefly inside his members area. This is Wayne's Megalink training. He sends emails out for you with your affiliate link, and he promotes offers with your affiliate link in, low ticket offers, and then that's all on autopilot. That's all done for you for $7. $7 one-time payment. You don't need an autoresponder for either of these systems. You don't need to pay a monthly membership. All you do is drive traffic to the Megalink, and you do that on autopilot with the free lead system. Very, very simple and very effective. I've combined two systems that are going to give you 2 autopilot, autoresponder follow-ups, AR, 2 autoresponder follow-ups promoting your lead capture page with your affiliate links in. And then this is the first part of the system here. And then when Wayne takes over, after your prospects have joined for $7, Wayne takes over for part 2 of the system here. Now it gets even better. If you look at number 6 down here in the bottom left-hand corner, every other lead in the free lead system is passed up to you. So when you promote this lead capture page here, and your leads join and they start to promote the free lead system, every other lead comes up to you. That means more free autopilot traffic. It means more traffic to your Megalink. And then it means more $7 commissions. And it means Wayne following up more for you with more offers. So we've combined 2 absolutely superb systems here. Now it gets even better, because when you join the Megalink, you're also going to get the help and support from the OLSP community. 144,000 members. The reason that 95% of people fail online is because they don't get help, support and training. So you're going to get all the training and help and support. You're going to get all your help and support here from the community. Wayne Crowe is in that community. It's his Facebook group. And he'll even train you. If you come over here, somewhere over here, you come over here. He'll even train you in his training area here how to get traffic. If you look here, get traffic. He'll train you in the members area. He'll train you with weekly live trainings, replays, follow-ups. He'll teach you traffic. He will teach you traffic. So then you'll learn how to drive traffic to step 1 here, how to drive traffic. So very, very simple. Lots of squares, lots of arrows, lots of flow, lots of boxes, but it's very, very simple. You're just going to join the free lead system. You're going to join OLSP Megalink. You're going to put your link in the free lead system. You're going to drive traffic to it and then let the magic happen with the autopilot systems here. And that's how simple and easy it is for a one-time price of $7. If you have got any questions, and please put those in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos, several new uploads every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. My email address will be in the description. If you want to contact me direct through email, then please do so. If you want any help with your affiliate marketing, that's the email address to contact me on, and I will mentor you one-to-one if you'd like my help. So the links are in the description. There'll be a link in the description to, let's just find you here. There'll be a link in the description to join free lead system. Then you'll get details on how to log into your account here. And then there'll also be a link in the description, which will be this one. Find it here. This one here. So for $7, you can join OLSP Megalink, and then you can put your Megalink into the free lead system and really double up on those autopilot messaging follow-ups, and then let Wayne Crowe take over to really boost your potential for earnings. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.